great. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello.
Good evening.
Right, working in the world's longest running soap has taught me about the challenges of spending long hours in front of a camera.
You should try being on Big Brother, Michelle. It's tough. No, but seriously, these 5 dramas all contain superb writing, casting, and top-notch production values. Okay? And the IFTA goes to the Tudors.
Honestly, this is the last time we'll be here. Joan Bergen, congratulations, and also Tom McInerney, and Dee, and commiserations to Tom. I must say thank you to Michael Hirst. He wrote all 38 episodes of The Tudors. And I think that's pretty rare in television, particularly at this kind of high level. It's been hugely successful all over the world. I mean, I found it unbelievable that we have 100 million viewers in India. Natalie Dormer, who's here tonight, who played Anne Boleyn, is actually a pin-up in South Korea. And of course, in America, it continues to do very, very well indeed. I'd like to thank the crew and the wonderful cast, and Seamus McInerney, and James Flynn, who's my partner in crime. And thank you for bearing with us and supporting us over the last 4 years. Thank you very much indeed.